How are we doing, guys? Right, back for another little quick combination. This one is putting together the last two, which was the round kick followed by a side kick and the round kick followed by a hook kick. Okay, so we're going to use all three, and again, if you're a good kicker, brilliant. Okay, but this is mostly about the footwork in between kicks. Okay, so it's a chance to double up on your practice at that touch and lift. Okay, that we talked about in the last two videos, not plant. Okay, so first combination we did, whatever number it was round kick drop side kick, and then the one we did after that was round kick drop hook kick. Okay, so this one therefore is going to be round kick side kick hook kick. Okay, but you're going to pop your foot in. Yeah, it goes down onto the ground very, very briefly in between all three kicks. Okay, so we start from here. Whatever your lead-in is, like I say, it can be a switch, it can be a step up, it can be a glide. Yeah, if you're very fancy, doesn't matter. But as soon as that round kick touches, we go drop side kick and then drop hook kick. Okay. This, in particular, the chance of you using this version of a triple kick in sparring, from a practical sense, is slim, to be honest, because it means you're on the spot for quite a long time and they'll figure out a way to get around you, unless they're kind of bad at their movement. Okay? But it is very, 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 very good leg practice for actual speed of kicks, or getting between kick A and kick B, kick A and kick B. I said in the last two videos, people are very happy going kick and down and in, and yeah. I could fit another two kicks in that time. It takes too long. Okay, so this is more of a practice drill. This is more for leg speed. Okay, and you can kind of mix and match again, body and head heights of your hook kick and your round kick. But you want to get them three kicks out in 3 seconds. Yeah, you want to practice getting fast. Yeah, you want to be thinking like a 3 second count is 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so in that time frame, you want to get all 3 kicks out. You want to think, ow, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay. It doesn't want to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and yeah. It's too much shuffling around. It's too much being heavy-footed. Okay, okay, okay. So when we're doing this sort of drill, think about speed in your head. Think speed. Be fast. Be fast. Be fast. Be fast. That's all you've got to be thinking about. So yeah, you can come in. Okay, bam, 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 bam. Okay. I'd be really interested, to be honest. But if I watch this back, yeah, and watch that little section, I'd be really interested in what the clock on YouTube says on how long, well, actually be better looking at the video editor, to be honest, on how long that 3-section kick took. From when I started my movement in, to the point where my hook kick hit the floor. Yeah, I want to get that within 3 seconds. Yeah, I want to be as fast as I can, okay? Be speedy. But that is a 3-kick combination for today. Round, side, hook. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So keep my head out of the way a little bit. Trying to keep my hands up a little bit. Have some protection in front of me, so in case they sneak something around the side, or they move completely offline on that round kick, or worse, they go behind my heel on my side kick. Then I've really got to readjust from my hook, and then probably come back in on my hands. Okay. You've got to be, again, like I say, this one is more of a training exercise more than something that's tactical, unless you're very, very quick. If you're very, very quick, you might be able to sink this combination in, but you've really got to concentrate on where your partner is and potentially where they're going to readjust. Okay, because you might have to bail out the combination to change it for something else to keep on top of the game. Yeah, that's the one for today. Easy peasy.